Hello friends, today in this video we will see how to use the for loop with file. So what is the use of for loop with a file? So similarly, to print the contents of a file we can use the for loop also. There are a number of methods to print the contents of a file. We know that there are read method, read lines method, list method, right? So like that, with the help of for loop you can print the contents of, that is, for loop. Now how to use the for loop, we will see the practical approach. So first we will create the file from which we have to read the content. So we know that we have already created the file, that is file demo. This is our file and it contains this text, right? So it has a 3 sentences and each sentence has number of words, right? So this is our source file from which we will read the contents and print on a terminal. Then we will write a program to print the contents with the help of file loop. So we will use a new text editor. In that we will write a program. So how you can write a program? So I already mentioned. So while using the file operation, first there is need to open the file and at last there is need to close the file object. So first we will open the file. So we will create the object of the file. Object file is created by giving any name. For example, fobj, it is the name of the file object, equal to open. So open method has two parameters. In first parameters we have to mention the path of a file from which we have to read the data, or the file which we want to open. So here which file you want to open? So here you want to open the file, that is file demo. So right click on it to know the path of that file. So path of the file is slash home Gajanan, and inside that there is a file demo file. So here I will mention the path inside this double quote as an argument. So file demo, file name is case sensitive, and second parameter for the open is, that is, mode. It may be the whether if you want to read the file, specify the write mode. If you want to specify the perform the write operation, then specify the write mode. For write mode you can use A for append mode, W for writing mode, and that is X mode, right? Now here we have created the object of the file, and then what we will do, what is the meaning of this sentence? The content of the file demo is stored in file object, and then we will print the contents of the file. Now how you can print the contents of a file with the help of for loop? So the syntax of for loop is: for is a keyword, any variable name, in operator, and you have to take the contents from your file. Content is stored in fobj object, and therefore we will take the contents from fobj. So here we write fobj file object colon. So body of for loop start from here, and then where now in case of for loop, where will be the content and how you can print the contents of file? Yes, obviously you can print the variable a, because all the contents from fobj object will be inside a, and if you print the a, so the contents of the file will be printed. Now we will give the name to the file. So file.py, I saved it and we will run it. Now if you run this operation, now if you run this file, now see the original file from which we want to fetch the data. So our file is file demo, and this file demo file has 3 sentences, and we have to print this content or the sentence from this file on the terminal. So for that we have written this program with the help of for loop, and with the help of for loop you will print these contents on terminal. So Python 3 space program name dot py. So program name is file 5.py. We are going to run this program into the Python 3 and see the all the contents of the file will be printed on a terminal. So with the help of for loop, you can read the contents of a file. So this is about the for loop, and we have seen that how to use the for loop with file